Hi, welcome back to my channel Charles Chakra. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about what is the benefits of wearing the coral. So coral is connected to the planet Mangal, and if you're facing problem in your life connected to the Mangal, like in your birth chart, Mangal is not well placed or it is afflicted, it is in the debilitated position. In that case, it gives you the challenges and the obstacles in your relationship, anger, aggression, demotivation, laziness. In that case, it is suggested you to wear the coral. Coral is a rectificator of the Mangal planet. So if you are facing problem connected to the Mangal, like if you have a health related problem, you have a problem like anger, frustration, irritation, you are manglik. Due to the manglik dosh, you are facing a lot of obstacles and the challenges in your relationship, then it is advisable for you to wear the coral. What are the benefits of wearing the coral and what is the right way of wearing the coral? To get the maximum benefits out of the coral, try to wear the coral in the 5 dhatu. So if you are wearing the coral in the 5 dhatu, it is going to balance your 5 element, which is going to reduce your aggression, irritation, frustration, as well as it will be going to remove the bad effect of the Mangal that gives you the laziness and the unmotivation too. When you wear the coral, you will feel more confident, more courage. It is going to control your aggression, impulsiveness, as well as it is going to improve your relationship with others. Not only with the relatives and others, it is also going to improve your relationship with your partner. It has been noticed if the person is manglik, or especially for the females, if they have a bad effect of mangal in their life, that ruin their married life and the relationship, especially if the mangal is sitting in the Taurus or the Libra, that creates a lot of problem in your life, in your married life and the love relationship, as well as if you are manglik, like your Mangal is sitting in the 12th, 1st, 4th, 7th, 8th house. In that case, also you face a lot of problem from the side of the Mangal. So it is advisable for you to wear the coral. People who face problems like loan, debts, legal issues, they have enemy issues, or health wise they are not so good, then also it is advisable for you to wear the coral. What is the positive aspect of wearing the coral? When you wear the coral, you are going to see a changes in your life within 45 days of time. If the coral is the real one and you're wearing it in the 5 dhatu, you will be protected from any type of negative energies like black magic, any type of negative energies. You will be able to cope up with the problem like aggression, frustration and impulsiveness in your life, and gradually and slowly you are going to see that your married life will be improved. If you have any type of health related problem like blood related problem, or you always feel like demotivated or lazy all the time, in that case also coral is going to help you out to overcome these challenges. To the administration role, leadership role, you want to prepare for the sportship, or you have a lot of interest in the sports and you want to improve the quality of your relationship, marriage life, love life, then also it is advisable for you to wear the coral. Coral has the maximum benefit as it comes in the rectificator category. It rectify your Mangal planet. What is the right way of wearing the coral? The right way of wearing the coral is in the 5 dhatu. You have to wear the coral in the 5 dhatu to get the maximum benefits, and make sure that the coral is the original one only. Only the natural coral can give you the maximum benefit. If you are wearing the if you are wearing the human made coral, that is have no effect in your life. If you have any questions related to the coral, you can ask me on the comment. And if you are looking to purchase the energized coral in the 5 dhatu, you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.